I am Dr. Mayank Priyadarshi, working as a neonatology resident in AIMS and an IHI Open School student. I got inspired while working in the newborn unit and observing the gains in the clinical care of sick babies by multiple QI projects. Let me share my view. Learning from Open School is relevant as well as useful for every resident doctor in any part of the world, because each one of us will be working in an environment which may have some intrinsic and extrinsic limitations which we need to figure out. And this is where quality improvement comes in picture. QI is a common sense approach done in a systematic way. It does not require much resources and gives fairly quick results, which may be even more relevant in a resource limited setting like in India. QI is not just about clinical care but also can be used for personal goals and projects. For example, if you want to improve your punctuality to report to your ward, or if you want to improve your performance in an outdoor game. This approach helps you to excel in your personal as well as professional life. I am very eager to apply QI principles into my clinical practice. In fact, I am currently doing a QI project to reduce the number of prescription errors by staff. We have been collecting baseline information using checklists and soon plan to start testing change ideas. With such QI projects, we aim to achieve a health system which is safe, effective, efficient, free of errors and patient friendly. Thank you.
Myself Meena Joshi, lead person among nursing colleagues for QI projects at AIMS Newborn Unit. I found e-learning by IHI helpful to hone my skills and develop new ideas. It provides an easy access to scientific evidence-based approach to improve the healthcare services within the existing infrastructure and resources. The e-learning in Open School not only help us to increase our personal and professional efficiency, expand our vision about quality healthcare, but the certificate provided at the end of the course provides a real motivation to continue further. We would proactively implement the learning into clinical practice and sustain improvements without the use of any additional cost or resources, which are beneficial not only to the patients but also to the care providers. In our unit, we have led multiple QI projects and sustained them. These can be accessed on www.aiimsqi.org.
I am Dr. Akanksha Sharma, resident doctor in the Department of Pediatrics at AIMS. My journey with quality improvement began when I used to share with my mother the success stories of the newborn unit. She was impressed by the same and asked me to dive deep into QI learning. Let me share my view. E-learning through IHI Open School on www.ihi.org I feel is not only relevant but also essential for resident doctors across India. It is a platform to understand the importance of quality improvement in a comprehensive way and to use the same in our own workplace. It brings forth numerous examples of how small efforts have made an enormous difference to the health outcomes across the globe. These motivate us to find similar solutions to the problems prevailing in our setup without any extra resources. In a country such as ours, with limited resources and a large population to cater to, this becomes all the more important to create a bigger impact. Quality improvement should not be a task, rather it should be a habit. If the principles of QI are well imprinted in our minds, then it becomes effortless. Someone who is constantly working towards the betterment of the health system will always be looked up to for solution. Any healthcare system would want to have professionals who are not only clinicians but are also deeply interested in improving the care. Also, if we inculcate these principles into our personal lives, it is bound to make us better individuals and leave an impact on the others as well. The idea of quality improvement finds application in every field, but I personally feel that the clinical practice needs it the most, as it is the human life that we are dealing with. It needs to be applied with full dedication, and I am sure that the fruits borne and the sense of satisfaction achieved will be worth the effort. Hoping with me, many of my colleagues will develop interest to learn more from the Open School. Thank you.